There's a little bird that somebody sent down to the earth to live on the wind. Born on the wind, he sleeps on the wind. That little bird that somebody sent. He's light and fragile and feathered sky blue. So small and graceful, the sun shines through. That little bird that lives on the wind. That little bird that somebody sends. He flies so high up in the sky, out of reach of the human eye. And the only time he touches the ground is when that little bird, is when that little bird, is when that little bird dies. Sorry to Marianne Faithful for murdering her song, but you know I couldn't bloody well resist it, Vootoo-Voos, could I? Well, it's a boring Sunday afternoon, so I thought, what you need to do, Gertie, is you need to get yourself on VooTube and just murder Marianne Faithful's song. So that's what I did. Anyway, I've got to get on. Bye, VooTube. Bye.